Welcome back to Grammar Grade 6. This is Unit 2, Lesson 8, and we're starting a brand new unit all about nouns. Nouns are the naming words, the words we use for people, places, things, and ideas. In this very first lesson of the unit, we'll learn the simplest way to split nouns into two groups, common nouns and proper nouns. By the end, you'll know exactly when a noun needs a capital letter. First, what is a noun? A noun is a naming word. It names a person, a place, a thing, or an idea. Your friend is a person. Your school is a place. Your backpack is a thing. And happiness is an idea. If a word names one of those four, it's a noun. Now, every noun comes in one of two kinds, and telling those two kinds apart is exactly what this lesson is about. Let's meet the first kind, the common noun. A common noun names any one of a kind, not a special one. Look at these: a city, a dog, a day. City could be any city anywhere. Dog could be any dog you pass on the street. Day could be any day at all. Because they're so general, common nouns stay lowercase. No capital letter needed. So common means general, and general means lowercase. Now the second kind, the proper noun. A proper noun names one particular one, a specific person, place, or thing with its very own name. Look, Chicago is one particular city. Rex is one particular dog. Monday is one particular day of the week. And here's the rule that comes with it. A proper noun always begins with a capital letter. And if the name has more than one word, you capitalize the first word and every important word. See the capital letters I've underlined? So proper means particular, and particular means capitalized. Watch the two kinds sit side by side. On the left are the common nouns, a city, a dog. Both are general, both stay lowercase. Now give each one a particular name. A city becomes Chicago. A dog becomes Rex. The moment you name the special, particular one, it jumps into a proper noun, and it earns a capital letter. Same idea on both sides, but only the named, particular version gets the capital. Let's do a few more of these jumps, so the pattern really sticks. A month is common, but July is one particular month, so it's proper. A holiday is common, but Thanksgiving is one particular holiday, so it's proper. A team is common, but the Chicago Bulls is one particular team, so it's proper. Notice on that last one, both important words get a capital. Anytime a noun becomes a name, it earns a capital letter. So here's your quick check for any noun at all. Ask one simple question. Does this name a particular named one? If yes, it's a proper noun, and you give it a capital letter. If it just names any one of a kind, it's a common noun, and you leave it lowercase. Named and particular gets the capital. Any old one of a kind stays small. One question and you'll always know. Let's try a few together. In this first set, decide whether each noun is common or proper. Ask yourself the question, does it name any one of a kind or one particular named one? Pause the video and try each one before I give the answer. Ohio. Ask the question, is this any state or one particular state? Ohio is the name of one specific state, so it names a particular one and it gets a capital letter. So the answer is proper noun. Teacher. Is this one particular person or any person with that job? A teacher could be anyone who teaches. It names any one of a kind, not one special person, so it stays lowercase. So the answer is common noun. Lincoln Middle School. Is this any school or one particular school? This is the name of one specific school, so all the important words are capitalized. It names a particular one, so the answer is proper noun. Now find the proper noun that was left lowercase. Each sentence has one word that names a particular one and should start with a capital letter. Pause and try each one before I answer. My family is driving to Denver next summer. Look for the word that names a particular one but starts small. Family and summer are general, common words, but Denver names one specific city, so it's a proper noun and needs a capital. So the answer is Denver. On Saturday, we are having a picnic in the park. Picnic and park are ordinary, common words here. But Saturday is the name of one particular day of the week, so it's a proper noun and needs a capital. So the answer is Saturday. Our cat Rusty likes to sleep on the couch. Cat and couch are common words that name any one of a kind, but Rusty is the particular name of one special cat, so it's a proper noun and takes a capital. So the answer is Rusty. Let's wrap up this first lesson of Unit 2. A noun names a person, place, thing, or idea. A common noun names any one of a kind, and it stays lowercase, like a city, a dog, and a day. A proper noun names one particular named one, and you capitalize the first word and every important word, like Chicago, Rex, and Monday. When you're not sure, ask the one question. Is this a particular named one? If it is, give it a capital. Next time, we'll sort nouns another way, into singular and plural. Great work today.